Merry Christmas, how's it going everybody? It's me, Captain Energy, and today I'm just here to wish you a happy holiday season. And thank you for your participation in my channel. I really appreciate you guys, and I look forward to making new videos for you. In fact, I'm working on some special ones for you right now. One is including this beautiful thing here, my Yamaha CS1X. It's vintage, it's amazing, and we're going to go into it. How to create patches with them. We're going to go through all the controls, and then I'm going to give you some free patches that I've created just for you. And alright, I guess that's pretty much all I want to say. Thank you. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, happy whatever holiday you're celebrating. I hope you and your family are well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave me a comment down below if you want to say Merry Christmas back. That's cool. Alright, I look forward to seeing you guys. Be safe.